And the saga continues with more. Wait for it. Wait for it. It's apparently working. Yes! Animal Crossing Pocket Camp! Now would be a good time to turn down the volume. Loading. Here we go. Ooh. Day 1, we get a leaf ticket. And something else. Ooh. No! I will not give myself to anybody. To another player. Chat with animals. Get 9 squids. So I need to link to my Nintendo account. I guess maybe. Maybe later. I'll definitely do it off screen. Hello again, Kudo. You know, I've been thinking. Sometimes I like to wander off in the woods and crawl into a hollow log for a while just to be alone. But meeting up with you was the most fun I've had in ages. So I had an idea. It's almost like a vision. What? Eh? What if you invited a whole bunch of folks to this place? Could be the start of something great. Well, I'm just an old fool, but if you feel like giving it a whirl, I can give you some pointers. Sounds great. Ha! Now that's the spirit. You've got moxie, kiddo. First things first, you've just got to get out there and mingle. You ever heard of saltwater shores? That's where I'd start. Hit the beach, pick up a few things for people, and rake in those crafting materials. Ha! Your generation has it too easy. Back in my day, we had to walk to school, barefoot, uphill, both ways. Yeah, I know. Okay, so it's saying it wants me to go there. Is there anything else I can do? Will it let me? Nope, I have to go there. But I wanted to set up crafting stuff. Oh well. Fishing, having trouble? Aim for the fish's head and you'll be a world-class angler in no time. Fish head. I wonder if we get to deck out our van. There's a fish! Tap to cast your line. Yeah! Yeah! We did it! That was easy enough. Horse mackerel. And what's this? Notices. Welcome to Animal Crossing. Camp orientation. Well, I'm not reading any of that now. But mailbox. Collect all. Do it. Do it. It seems like they're pretty generous with the leaf tickets without me buying anything, so that's good. Ooh, I got the magic conch! So, you're new to this whole camping lifestyle, right? Hey, nothing wrong with that. It's just that your van is cleaner than my plate after lunch. My name's Jay, and my 2 favorite things are camping and working out and eating. But that's 3 things. Is that more than 2? Keeping track of lists is one of my least favorite things. You can't Okay. Can't count to 3, I got it. So, what's up? Here, take this. Here you go. Whoa! I won't say no to this, thanks! Yay! Ooh, cool. Thanks a ton for doing this, brosephine. Brosephine? Really? Brosephine. I knew I could count on you. Hey! Oh my goodness. First thing I'm gonna do is change your logo if I get the chance. What do you want? Tap the Isabel icon to see a list of timed and stretch goals for you to complete. You can earn bells, craft materials, items, and more for completing them. Oh, cool. Okay. Timed goals are time sensitive, so be sure to check the list often. Yeah. Congratulations, keep up the good work. Alright, so he wants another fish. I'm betting it's another horse mackerel, so we're just gonna come over here and do that. Woohoo! Alright, let's go give it to him. Because I think that's all he wants. Yeah, he just wants another one. Hey, what's up? Hey! Let's talk. I wonder if I could best bench press that big log over there. What do you think? I look strong enough to bench press that log, don't I? Hey! I didn't even have to give you the horse mackerel. But I'll go ahead and give it to you anyway, because I already caught it. Whoa, you're giving this to me? That's amazing! Yeah, another request complete. You've been such a big help, Brosephine. Let me know when I can return the favor. Yeah, you can return the favor by not saying Brosephine ever again. Come to my campsite. Yo, I'm so pumped that you invited me to your campsite. There's just one thing. Can you do a tiny favor for me first? It'll be easier than 1,000 squats, I promise. Okay, so I need a striped sofa. So craft. Craft it. Order screen? Craft it. Okay, place the craft order with Cyrus. How long is it gonna take? 49 seconds, not bad. What's over here? Tom Nook's chair. KK Slider's chair. Huh. See what other stuff we have. We have that. I guess we could possibly place the sporty one. Maybe we'll have different sections or something. Yeah, looks like that's all we have for now. But we'll unlock more stuff as we go, so that'll be cool. What is this? Veggie basket. I think Isabel gave me that. Mailbox. Collect. Back. Goals. Stretch goals. Ooh. Should have just waited to collect, huh? Alright, let's go back to... How do we put this down? Oh, we just click up. Oh, it's complete already. We got it. So now will he move to our house? Let's self-arrange. Yes, please. Let's go ahead and go. I was gonna fish more, but we can always come back. Yeah, we'll go ahead and put it over. I guess we have to put it over here. There we go. Let's move this plant closer. Yeah, that's fine. That can be over there. Alright. Done. Save it. And probably later we'll just make it a cool camp and then get rid of sporty stuffs, including this poor guy. I mean, he's cool and all. But I do like all these movie scenes that we get for each of the characters. This place is the best, Brosephine. You really nailed it. Yay! Yes, now Jake can come visit my campsite anytime. Yay! Not right now. I'm kind of in the middle of something, Animal Crossing. But I will. Yes, I crafted a piece of furniture, and I placed the furniture in my campsite, and I hosted 2 animals at my campsite. Woo! Now what's this? Mailbox. Collect all. Not right now. Aww. Hey, Kudo, you know what time it is? Lunchtime, best time of the day. What do you want? Well, that's mighty thoughtful of you, so here's what I need. Oh, he wants a horse mackerel, okay. Can you give me the goods? I'm counting on you, you know? Pa! That's the whole reason he wanted me to go all the way over there. What do you want? Hey, working out much? Hey! Need anything? This is everything that I want. An olive flounder. Alright, and then let's check in with them on the latest. Let's talk. Ever go camping, get all nice and set up, and then realize you left something super important behind? It happens to me all the time, so I'm here for you, Brosephine. If it ever happens to you, just give me a call and I'll do my best to help. Hey! Woo! Yes, I leveled! Woo! Yay! Cool. Now I can craft more things. Now what do you want? What's up, Kudo? You need me for something? Tell me a story. I feel like a million bells today, Kudo, so I'm gonna be generous. Here, take this. What? Thank you? Just give me money, okay? And then Isabel has stretch goals that I completed. And then what's this? Oh, the mailbox again. That's fine. Is a thing? Yeah, let's talk later. So we're gonna go fishing again because we are actually close to the stretch goal of catching 5 fish. And we need a horse mackerel for... Whoa. No, thank you. Pink is my least favorite color. I'm sorry, guys. That is just too much. Way too much. Anyways, we're gonna go catch some fish for Apollo and... Throwing a net. No, thank you. Horse mackerel. Now we just need an olive flounder. Maybe this one? Nope, another horse mackerel. Yes! Got it, and then we can go back to camp and give that to them. And, oh, here's the net. Who are you? Anna. Visit his or her campsite because we actually need to give kudos to 3 campsites as our thing today. Want to get ideas for your own campsite? Visit other players' campsite and check them out. Okay. And then we'll, hi! Oh, I love this one. She's really cute. It doesn't look like I can talk to any of her animals. They're all sleeping? Well, all those ones are. I guess I can only talk to her. Give kudos. Alright, and that means I can leave now. Yes, please. It looks like her tent is under construction. Animals visiting your campsite will look rare and useful crafting materials. Oh, so these craft the different kinds. Okay, so then now I caught my fish. Tap on another player to say hello and you can tour their camper and see what they've got in their market box. Oh, so they can sell stuff too. So if we went over here and go in her camper... Oh, snap. We can turn this around. I'm not seeing a market box, though. Maybe she didn't have one set up yet. Alright, we'll leave. Yes, please. Interesting. Wonder if this means I can deck out my camper, too. Alright, but we want to go home. Yes, return to my camper. Wait. No. We wanted to go home. Because we need to go deliver our stuff, and that's probably where I'll end the video. So, map. Home. Let's go. Send enough kudos to other people and you may complete a stretch goal or 2 without even trying. Ah. You? Fighting a good fight, brosephine? Here you go. Whoa, I won't say no to this, thanks. I don't think I completed yeah, I did, because I caught 2 horse mackerels. Thanks again for helping me out. I knew I could count on you. Hey! Why aren't you hanging out on the modern couch so that he can hang out on his sporty couch? Whoa, thank you. Excuse me. Yay! You brought me what I want. I like that about you. Thanks again. Yay! Alright, and then we'll go to stretch goals. Complete. Chat with animals visiting your campsite 4 times. Gets 9 squid. Anyways, catch 5 fish. Give kudos. Complete a request for animals visiting the campsite. Yay! Oh, I only need 4 more seashells. Anyways, so we're gonna go mailbox, collect all. And yeah, we will go ahead and stop there. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!